Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us.
Milk baths.
What are they exactly? A milk bath is quite an unusual thing, I'd say. Some people might roll their eyes and say, "Oh great, look at these aristocrats." Next they'll be preaching about milk baths, and then probably telling us about champagne baths. And after that, baths with the blood of young deer will be next. But sensible people will hear us out. These baths have been hugely popular for centuries. It's said that Queen Cleopatra preserved her youth by regularly bathing in a milk and honey bath. Now milk baths are making a comeback, and many celebrities use them as part of their beauty routines. What are the benefits? They're known to improve the condition of your skin, because the milk fats essentially cling to it, so to speak. And yet there's no greasy feeling, just a lovely silky sensation on your skin. Bathing in milk also helps remove dead skin cells. Slightly soured milk contains alpha hydroxy acid, which is commonly used in skincare products. Baths made with milk, honey, and herbs are wonderfully fragrant and pleasant. They help you relax and unwind much more effectively. Milk has been used as a folk remedy for burns, skin irritation, hyperpigmentation, eczema, and psoriasis for ages. Skin condition does improve after a milk bath, that's a fact. What kind of milk can you use?
Any kind, really.
Cow's milk is used most often since it's affordable and available pretty much everywhere. Though for baths, it's better to go with a fattier variety.
Goat's milk.
That works too. It's richer in fat, so your skin will feel even more wonderful after the bath.
Buttermilk.
It's a dairy product with a high lactic acid content. A bath with buttermilk is the way to go when you also want to get rid of dead skin cells.
Breast milk. Yes, indeed.
Baths with breast milk added can be beneficial for both mother and baby. Of course, you don't have to take them even if you have the milk available. But if you have an excess of it, this is actually a great way to put it to use. Plant-based milk is perfect for vegans. Nut or soy milk baths work in much the same way as regular dairy milk. Almond and coconut milk are especially great, as they're rich in fats that nourish the skin. And finally, powdered milk. You can use that too, the effect will be just as good, I'd say. What about people who are lactose intolerant? They can still take milk baths, yes. The body can't digest animal milk in that case, but the skin will feel great after the bath. However, for those who are actually allergic to milk, baths are of course contraindicated. When an allergic person's skin comes into contact with milk, it can cause itching, redness, or a rash. So how do you make a milk bath? Pour milk into warm water and sink right in. It's best to add the milk after the water is already in the tub. You'll need 1 to 2 cups of liquid milk per bath, or half a cup of powdered milk. In a milk bath, they are very simple, beneficial, and pleasant. They make your skin soft, healthy, and smooth. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.